Pencil. Pencil. I write with a pencil. Pen. Pen. She signs the paper with a pen. Eraser. Eraser. I erase mistakes with an eraser. Sharpener. Sharpener. He sharpens his pencil with a sharpener. Ruler. Ruler. The teacher measures the line with a ruler. Notebook. Notebook. I write notes in my notebook. Textbook. Textbook. This is my English textbook. Highlighter. Highlighter. She highlights important words. Marker. Marker. I draw with a marker. Colored pencils. Colored pencils. The child colors the picture with colored pencils. Crayons. Crayons. Kids like drawing with crayons. Paints. Paints. We paint the wall with paints. Paintbrush. Paintbrush. He uses a paintbrush for painting. Sketchbook. Sketchbook. She draws pictures in her sketchbook. Compass. Compass. I draw a circle with a compass. Protractor. Protractor. He measures angles with a protractor. Calculator. Calculator. I solve math problems with a calculator. Geometry box. Geometry box. The student keeps tools in a geometry box. Whiteboard. Whiteboard. The teacher writes on the whiteboard. Blackboard. Blackboard. The blackboard is clean today. Chalk. Chalk. She writes with white chalk. Whiteboard marker. Whiteboard marker. I need a new whiteboard marker. Glue stick. Glue stick. He sticks paper with a glue stick. Scissors. Scissors. She cuts paper with scissors. Tape. Tape. He fixes the page with tape. Paper clips. Paper clips. The teacher uses paper clips for papers. Stapler. Stapler. I staple the sheets with a stapler. Binder. Binder. I keep documents in a binder. Binder clips. Binder clips. She uses binder clips for notes. Folder. Folder. I keep my homework in a folder. Index cards. Index cards. I write words on index cards. Sticky notes. Sticky notes. She puts sticky notes on the book. Notebook paper. Notebook paper. I need more notebook paper.